Okay, the next task that we've got is the rock climber. It is already a Photoshop file. We're going to use some of the same tools that we've just learned with the castle and the bird and the boat. So we're going to use our spot healing tool. We're going to try and get rid of some of the graffiti. So we're just going to go over the top of it. And then basically you can go and get rid of some of the cracks, some of the white colouring of the rocks, and you can go as far or as little as you like with this. I have had people go quite extreme with how much they've manipulated this image. They've used the clone tool as well. So if you remember the clone tool from before, I have had students completely get rid of the actual rock climber. So if that's what you want to do, that's okay. But you can just get rid of some of the cracks and then save as a copy. Make sure that you're changing this to a JPEG. Call it the rock climber, and then put it as your name, and then save, and then direct message it through, or email. The other task you've got is the monument. So this is the monument. You can use some of the same tools. So we can use the spot healing tool because we want to get rid of the flag. So we're just going to go over the top and get rid of the flag completely. You could also use your clone tool. That would be just as successful. If you wanted to get rid of the woman as well, you could go to the clone tool. Make sure that we were on clone. We could add our target, because remember it takes a copy of what's next to it, so we might go this way. You just have to be in line with what was there. I've got it on a bit of a blur, so if I'd made that not so soft, it probably wouldn't have done this weird extra shadow over here. And then we're just getting rid of it. You could have used the spot healing tool with that one too. Could have used the patch as well. So what we want to do is actually put a different image into there. So I'm going to use my lasso. I might use the magnetic part. I'm just going to go around just really slowly and bring it up. So I'm going to copy, so Control C, bring it over to my monument, Control V. I've then got two layers. You can see I've got the background, which is locked, and I've got this other layer of the Australian flag. If you're not comfortable in putting a different flag on here, that's okay. You might want to put a pirate flag, or maybe you don't want to put a flag at all. Maybe there's something else happening on here. But you want to show me some sort of manipulation of the image. Again, go File, Save a Copy, save it as JPEG, and send it through. Thanks.